Hi, I'm Lanny, and this is Preserving Today. How do I know if I killed my sourdough starter? I left it in my fridge for 3 months. If my bread's not going to be perfect, I don't even want to try. What should I do if my sourdough starter is dead? What if you didn't kill your sourdough starter at all? It can go dormant. It's okay to have to take a few days to revive your sourdough starter by giving it some extra TLC. It doesn't mean it's dead. I kept my sourdough starter in the fridge for 3 months. I stopped baking when I had my baby, and now that the weather is rainy again, I'm ready to go. I got my sourdough starter out of the refrigerator and I fed it. And after 12 hours, there was nothing, like not even a bubble. So I stirred it really well and I left it another 12 hours. So after 24 hours, it barely started to bubble and rise. I left it a little longer and I took some out and fed it again. And by the next morning, it had risen. And here's 24 hours later, it has fallen, but even not completely. And I've got 2 loaves of bread in the oven. We'll see how that bread turns out. I feel like my sourdough starter wasn't dead. Not the best rise, but it rose. There's yeast there. It's not dead. A little TLC and it'll be back up and running perfectly in no time.